How you guys doing? My name's Saint. If you've been keeping up with the videos, I've been a little inconsistent because prior to this I went to New York, but I'm back. I was gone for about a week. I was gone for a week and I was working on a project, and I haven't gotten to show you guys this, but if you have been watching the videos, we were working on some pants. I had the black pants, I had the white pants, and now I'm bleaching. I'm making some bleach pants. This one's for myself. I already had it pretty much almost complete. I just gotta attach the waistband to the pants, and I gotta do the buttonholes, and I gotta do the button, and then it'll be complete. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So those are the pants. I'm gonna try them on for you guys and show you guys how they look. I'm honestly very happy with the way they came out. The bleach was perfect. The style of the pants is perfect. It's the same style that I've already made before, that you guys have already seen. So I'll show you guys how it looks on me. All right, so this is the pants. This is the waist. You see? It goes all the way to the back, just like that. You got the pockets. Hold up. Pockets. I know it's a little hard to see because the bleach pockets right here as well. Then you got the little tassels on the sides, pleated all the way down to the bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. On to the next stuff. What would be really nice to do, I want to do a whole lookbook of all the things that I've made throughout the time, see how I can style them in like outfits and stuff like that. I think that would be really cool. If you guys really like that, let me know. Comments below, like the video, all that jazz. It lets me know if you guys really want to, you know, see me do other things other than just sewing. I feel like that's a good added bonus to videos. I hope to do different things with the videos. I have a lot of clothes that I've made from the past, so it'll be cool to like debut it and show you guys like kind of how to style it too and put it all together. Let me know. So what we're doing right now, I have this new bag design idea that I want to work on. My character for the brand Black Studio, we have this cartoon character. Her name's Kuma. She's a tiger bear because tigers are my favorite animal and bears are mad cute. So I wanted to create a character that has, you know, the balance of both. What I'm currently working on is a bag for that, and this is what we have so far. It's gonna be a plush bag, so it's gonna be stuffed inside, and right now I am currently sewing on the nostrils to the actual nose. You'll see it all put together. I'm just currently sewing this stuff, so we're gonna get to that. Just finished the mouth pretty much. Now I'm working on the face. So the face is just this orange, big old orange face. It's a lot, you know. It's not really much you can see here, but this is one ear, this is another ear, and for the backing we're using denim to give it a little bit more weight. It's pretty thin fabric. So when we're gonna attach the two pieces together, and then we're gonna add some, there was pillow stuffing in here, as you can see. A little bit of pillow stuffing, shove that John right in there, you know what I'm saying, just slide it in there. And then, gonna give it a little bit more of a fluffy feel to it, and that should be good. Now let's get to it. stitched it all together. Now we're gonna add the ear. This is the first ear. I would say this is more of the bear ear, which is why it's more roundish. This is the tiger ear, which is more pointy. I'm gonna sew up the ear hole to the actual ear, do a little zigzag stitch all around the brim, and then I'll get to the next one. Left y'all off with the ears getting completed, so they're right here. So the ears are on both sides of the face, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a black stitching to pretty much everything that we've already stitched, just to give it more of a cartoon look, because my character has a black outline, so I want to just give it that same black outline for the bag. So I'm gonna stitch around the whole brim of the nose. Everything else is already black, and when I attach this, I'm gonna stitch the black all around the mouth, and then I'm gonna also stitch the black around the ears, and then attach the black parts of the tiger to the face. So let's see how that looks, because I ain't even tried yet. I'm assuming it's gonna turn out good, but I don't know. Listen, they're ready? They're listening? Great. I messed up. So remember when I was talking about, hey, let me do the black trim. Let me add the plus sign in the head. I don't even know if I even said that. Listen, I messed up. I did. I completely messed up. So this is what we did before. Let me grab it real quick. This is what we did before. We had the black trimming, right? And then we added the plus. And this is what it looked like, right? I ain't like that. Did the black trimming on the nose. I ain't like that either. So I had to start it all over. Sometimes in life, you know, you gotta start over. It sucks. I feel crazy. It took a whole day for me to catch up to where I was before. So I had to cut out all the fabric again. I tweaked the pattern. I made everything look a little bit smaller. And then I had to sew it all back into this and get back to this position. So this is the previous one, as you guys see. With the mouth, this is where the mouth was gonna be, like somewhere around here, right? It was gonna like something like that, right? Can't do that. It was disgusting. I didn't like the way it looked, and I'm doing you guys an injustice. Forget the black stitching. Doesn't look good enough. We're going regular. Mouth, regular, everything. Made it smaller. It looks a lot better, you know? I just like the way that this looks. And then I just did this part, a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner. It looks a lot better, and I'm happier with this look. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add everything to the bag itself. So I'm gonna add the little stripes. I'll show a little picture of what Kima looks like. I'm gonna add her stripes, and then I'm gonna put the face in, and I'm gonna put the mouth in, and then, oh man, you know, I feel crazy, but it's okay. That's what life's all about, making little mistakes, and then you gotta change it up. So let me go do that now, all right? I just sewed the mouth. I know I said I was gonna do the sides, but I'm about to do that now. I just wanted to get the mouth on there just to understand where the placement of everything else is gonna go. So I think what I'm gonna work on next is I'm gonna attach the eyes next, and then I'm gonna do the stripes. I also added a little bit more stuffing in it. I think as I keep going with adding pieces, I'm gonna add a little bit more stuffing just so I keep it even and out, so that it gives it more of like a pillow look. I don't know if we're gonna finish it by the end of this video. We'll try though. Y'all liking it? You know what I'm saying? We almost, you know what I'm saying? So we got the eyes done. Now that I got the eyes laid out, I'm about to put the tiger stripes on there, and then the face is done. Once I get that done, I'm gonna work on the back, sides, add it all together, bag. Here we go. I just finished the stripes, and this is what we got. Yeah, looking good, right? Looking pretty sharp. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm really happy about this one, guys. This is looking really good. So now that I have this complete, all I gotta do is I'm gonna work on the back now. I'm gonna work on the back, and I'm gonna get the side seams ready up, and then we're gonna attach those to the front face. So let's go do that and see how far we get. That's the end of the video. Yeah, I had to cut it because, you know, crunch time and everything. But since we didn't get to finish the bag, I kind of want to just show you guys a few things that you guys could buy at the website if you go shop at Black Studios. Link is in the description. Somewhere here it will be showing. Also, if you have any like requests of things that you want to make, want me to make, or like you have a request for a product or certain specific custom things that you want, be free to hit me in the DMs, you know. You could DM me personally, you could DM the business IG and all that jazz. So yeah, don't mind the pants. I know I'm wearing my pajamas because sometimes I'll be sleeping, you know what I'm saying? So we have the devil face mask right here. Got a few more left on the website if you want to shop. We have a kimono as well. Hit me in the DMs if you want a kimono. We got the Bones hoodie right here. Still making these. They're a little thin hoodie, zipper hoodies, you know what I'm saying? Very beautiful, very fun. I also got the Herman turtleneck. I like wearing this one a lot. It's simple, white rib turtleneck, all that jazz. Cool little, you know what I'm saying? Cool little basic piece that you'll need in your wardrobe. Great. We also got the RT bag right here. You guys have seen me made a few of these. These are fun. I love these bags. Very useful, you know what I'm saying? Still got a few more of these on the website, so if you want one, again, website, you know, in the description, all that. Then we also got a new piece. I haven't shown this one much, but we have the skull face bucket hat. Boom, you know what I'm saying? This is a face mask right here. Face mask attached to a bucket hat. All personally made for, you know, your viewing pleasures, all that jazz. Love this one. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. So I hope you guys, you know, make sure you guys like, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll keep making stuff. Every week, I'm dropping Mondays, every single week on Mondays. So stay tuned. 8 p.m. Eastern time, all that. It's your guy Saint. You guys take care.